Okay, so you're going to have to forgive me. I can normally do this talk, but it's been a long time, long couple of days. The challenge is I'm going to write a complete game in like 5 minutes, but it's like 4 minutes 42 seconds now, so I better get moving. So the first thing I need to do is create a window.
That will take 4 minutes.
So first thing I need to do is create a window, and if I that's not the one, that's the one. Okay, now I'm going to have to type without seeing what I'm typing.
I don't think this is going to go very well.
This isn't fair. I'm not eligible for the prize, so don't vote for me. Can I have a countdown?
3 minutes 35.
So hopefully, if I type that right, I can go to a terminal and something should appear, only it's appearing on the wrong screen. I have a window. Yay! So since I've got like 3 minutes left, I'm going to cheat a little. Let's see. I can't see the mouse. There we go. I'm really fast at typing. We should also, so we're creating a couple of sprites and some sound. We're putting the sprite in the center of the screen, and we are also, yes, we've got 2 minutes. We're going to draw it on the screen. So in theory, if I run it and watch it appear on the wrong screen again, you can now see I have a monkey and a hand. Hands behind the monkey. You can see I render it after the monkey, so it before the monkey. So 2 minutes. I'm doing okay. If this wasn't so hard with the mouse, I probably could type this, but I'm not going to risk it. Let's make the monkey, sorry, the fist move when the mouse moves. So as you can see, I just import the mouse, bind it together, tell the sprite to go to the position where the mouse is. Here, mouse. Again, on the wrong screen, you annoying thing. But you can see, now I have a fist that moves. Haha. But I can't punch the monkey yet, which is kind of annoying because I don't like monkeys. So 1 minute, haha. Okay, let's, where are you, mouse? You're on the wrong screen. Okay, we need to move the monkey because monkeys move. Let's see, 40 seconds. So, monkey's moving. Yay. Okay. Now, 30 seconds. There's no way I'm going to be able to type this, so I'm going to keep cheating. I might as well keep cheating because, you know, I've already cheated most of the way through. So the next thing I'm going to do is, on the mouse press, I'm going to check if the two things collide. If it is, I'm going to play some sound. And then I'm going to set the check thing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Oh, it's on the wrong screen. 3, 2, 1. forgot to say, it was a grand effort. And just to prove it actually works.
You have to get off now. It was a valiant effort.
Yeah! I am not eligible because I'm an organizer and I cheated.